Hi, this is Nick from the Camera Shop. Today we're going to show you how to get to our website, create an online ordering account, upload photos, and place a basic print order. Let's get started.
Hi, we're here today to show you a little bit about our ordering website. We're going to start by opening your favorite browser window. It can be Safari, Chrome, Firefox, Edge, pretty much any modern browser will work with the website. Up in the address bar, you're going to put in thecamerashoponline.com. And that will take you to our overall store website. Up here in the top bar, you'll see an Order Prints button. That will start the process to getting you into the ordering system. The Begin Now is how you actually start. So when you click that, it takes you off to log into to the website. So if you already have an account, right here you put in your email and password and sign in, and that will take you in. If you don't have an account, the Join Now will take you to a page to set one up. Simple first name, last name, email address, confirm it, and then make up a password for this system. The requirements are pretty simple. It just needs to be at least 8 characters. You're going to fill that in, click Accept Terms, Next, and that will create an account. Since I already have one, I'm going to go to the login and log us into the account that we're going to use. And that's going to take us in so that we can place an order. So once you're in here, the Shop for Prints takes you to the basic print ordering interface. So whenever you're ordering prints, you'll see down here, these are things that we've worked on before. These are called collections. They're basically folders. Whenever you upload, it wants you to create to upload into a collection. If you don't have one, this new collection here on the left is how you create one. So right now I'm going to make one for this project. We'll just call it Spring 2020 Photos. It's basically for your so that you can make sense of what you're doing. Description if you need it. And when you save it, then you have a new collection here. And you'll see the one that's orange is the one that you're in. So it's empty right now. And in order to get pictures, you can click either one of these Upload Photos buttons. That will open the dialog that for you to bring pictures in. You always want to leave this number 1 on original size. That way you upload the images at the size they were shot, and it gives you the most choices when you're ordering. To get them, the Add Photos button will open the dialog to take you to where the images are that you want to use. I've made a folder on the desktop and put all the images I want to use in it. Highly recommend that you put all the stuff in one spot so that it makes your uploading easier. This is a Windows dialog, and so you can use any of the Windows techniques to select. You can pick one at a time, or in this case I want everybody, and then down here where it says open, that will feed them into the system. You can see them uploading. So then once they're uploaded, it will take a minute to populate the images, and here we are. So the tools here to control what you're looking at and how you see that, you can sort them either by time or by name, and it depends on what makes the most sense for the project. You can also change the size of the thumbnails to what's most comfortable for what you're doing. For me, this is kind of the best size that makes the most sense. In order to place an order, you have to tell the system which photos you're talking about, and you do that by just clicking on it. It creates a box and a check mark. You can do one at a time, or you can do multiple images as you're placing an order. So all the boxes that have a check mark, when you go over here to the different print sizes and hit the plus, they will all get that size print. So right now we've just made one 4x6 for each of these images that were selected. So the first thing I want to show you is most people are used to ordering 4x6 prints. That was from 35mm film, and that worked perfectly. Some of the newer digital cameras do take 4x6 shaped images, but most phones and most point-and-shoot cameras do not. So what the implications of that are, you will see when we go to the next step to check out, it will show you the crop boxes for the print sizes that you've ordered. And you can see here that most of them, it fills the entire frame, but this one, there's part of the image is cut off. That's because phone images are not 4x6 shaped. So you can sort of fix it by sliding this up and to keep everything in, but you do lose this bottom section down here. So to fix that, we've created a print size that will allow you to see everything. You can step back to the print ordering, and what we're going to do is unselect everything, pick this print again, and order a new print size of 4x533. That, you see, will give you the entire image with nothing cropped off. So that's the size we recommend when you're ordering prints from phones or point-and-shoot digitals, so you don't lose any of the image. Okay, so once you're in here, there are some tools that you have to change the crop. This white circle in the bottom here will allow you to change the size of the box. It will always stay locked in ratio to the print size you're ordering, and you can change the size of the box with the little white dot and the position by moving it around in the center until you have just the piece you want. So you could get a little closer here by zooming in, but there's another feature you'll see down in the lower left. There's this little green box that will spin the box in the other direction so that you can do something like this. So once you've set the crops the way you want them, you always are looking for the next box takes you to the next function. So this gives you just an overview of the images. It does not indicate the crops, but they will be remembered for the actual print. If you notice anything that you don't want here, this little trash can will delete it. And if you notice that you need more prints, you can simply add them here, click Update, and it will adjust the quantity of prints. Once you've done that, it'll take you to the choice of glossy and matte, give you a chance to enter any special instructions you'd like to give to us. We generally recommend matte finish is the safest for most uses. When you click Next, it takes you along here. If there's a promo code, for instance, right now we have a promo code that is Create25. That will save you 25% on your order, and it discounts right here. That will take you here to fill out all of your info. So once you fill out your contact information, you can choose the pickup type. We can either ship it to you, or right now we're doing curbside pickup Monday to Friday 10 to 5. You're going to fill out the card number, the security code, 2 digits for the month, 2 digits for the year, and then review your order will take you to the next step. So this next page gives you a chance to give you a quick overview to make sure that the prints you're ordering, this quantity and the size makes sense, the print finish, and that the promo has actually taken place. And then you're going to click the Place Order button. So once you see this green box, that means your order's been successfully placed. This is your order number. You'll have a confirmation email at the email address that you used to log in with. But if you'd also like a text, you can check this box here and we'll send you a text as soon as that order is actually ready for pickup. It will give you a notification. You just check this, fill in your mobile number, click update, and that's all there is to it.